Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at Duolingo, and on this chart we are tracking from the all-time low a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, and from now on we are in the third wave to the upside that should still have a few more moves before it completes. And within this third wave I would say that we had a wave 1 up. It is a 5-wave move in my opinion, pretty decently looking, a wave 2 down, and then here it is a little discussable, debatable. It could be another 1-2 setup, or it could be a double 1-2 1-2 setup, but regardless we have a third wave up following, and after that we expect a fourth and a fifth to complete either with this 1-2 or with the larger one. That only differs in how many 4-5 patterns to complete the movement we actually get after completing the next movement, and that would be either 1 or 2. But overall we are tracking a wave 4 here to the downside for support, and it would be between the area around, let's see, so around $398 down to around $282. So down below the 50% retracement level I would expect a more different count. Now I would need a decisive break. I do see that we have some price action support right below it. It could reach briefly below it and then jump back up. That would be completely fine and would still be within the scenario. It wouldn't invalidate it, but so far it seems we are still going lower in this wave 4, and I would say that we had an A wave down, and I could count this both as a 3-wave move and as a 5-wave move. I think I prefer the 5-wave pattern here, maybe some sort of a leading diagonal in a wave A, and then a very sharp B wave, and then a very impulsive C wave to the downside. And let me add this to the chart, and now I would like to also look for a target for a C wave, and we already reacted, or well, nearly reacted. We didn't quite get to the 38.2% retracement here, but it did find a reaction in that area, and now I would expect to reach in the C wave to the downside the 100% extension at around $284 level. And then I would like to see a reversal in the 5th wave to the upside, and I am expecting a 5-wave move in that movement, be it a diagonal pattern or not. Overall, we are in the support zone even now. I don't have an immediate support zone other than the large one in white. This movement is quite strong to the downside, and to be honest, it could complete earlier. If we look on the smaller time frame, it seems we are still quite strong to the downside on the RSI. There's no divergence yet, so maybe this was a 1-2, and then this is a long third wave to the downside. Maybe we get a fourth and then a fifth to actually complete it, but it may end early. And that's why I want to point out that overall we are in the larger support zone in white. And if you are looking to enter a position on this chart, if you are interested, it is not necessarily a bad time. Even now, we don't know if it might end early. I would, although, still prefer a push below the previous low at around, what is it, $232. But that after that, I wouldn't necessarily expect anything. Although some divergence, some more clarity within this C wave would be nice, it is not a given. And other than that, I want to point out, it could be that this chart is playing out a bit differently. I have my concerns about this latest push to the upside in this 5th wave. It may be considered a bit out of proportions. So it really could be that the count might play out in a slightly different way. Maybe the third wave topped here, and then we would be looking for a smaller or a closer retracement to the downside. But overall, even if the third wave topped here, the support zone, or the target for the wave C, is still within the support zone, and we have quite strong price action to back it up right below it. So for now, these are the levels, this is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.